rules have changed. The financial plan used to be easy. Previous generations would buy an affordable house at the end of their working life. You'd get a guaranteed income for life with a pension. Any money left over and you could put that into a bank and get 5% interest rates. Today that's totally blown out the water. Today you are an investor. Everyone is an investor. You need to understand this. This is great news. You're in charge. So what do you need? You need good quality education. So what do you need? Maybe you're scared to invest after seeing the recent crashes. Maybe you don't have the time to understand the seemingly complex world of the stock market. Or maybe you don't want to pay for an expensive financial advisor. You don't need to do that with this. So what we're offering you a free webinar. We're going to go through the 3 laws of money accumulation. We're going to save you, reduce your risk by 60%. So all you need to do is sign up to the webinar in the link in somewhere in this video and join us on this webinar. We're going to go through the 3 laws of money accumulation. We're going to save you time in your day because we're going to automate your savings and investing. You're going to save money from making costly errors, and we're going to save you, reduce your stress and worry for this by following simple principles of investing. So sign up to the webinar, 3 laws of money accumulation, and we will see you in the webinar.